So today we're making Jell-O shots. There's a housewarming party for my cousin's girlfriend. It's a surprise. She doesn't even know. So Kai Kai, when you see this girl. Okay. Anyway, so her favorite color is pink. So we're gonna do strawberry. We're also gonna do berry blue, and we're gonna do lime. So I just went to the liquor store. I'm not a white type of girl. I like brown, like Henny, whiskey, you know, all that good stuff. So I got 99%, like 99 apples. I probably will end up using this so they can be really strong. And then I have lemon Amsterdam, and I also have pineapple Amsterdam. So here's what I'm thinking. I think I do want to use the apple. What I was going to do, I was going to actually mix the two colors. So I was going to do half strawberry, half blue. And then I was going to do half green, half blue. But I don't think I want to do that anymore because the portion cups are so small. So anyway, let's get started. I've already washed my hands. I put my hair in a bonnet because you know how people could be all up in my comments or whatever and say, oh, you need to cover your hair like we at a restaurant, but really in my house, in my kitchen, in my home. You know what I'm saying? And I cleaned off my surface. So we're going to get a pot. Fill it up with water and then put it to boil.
Right? So I went all week with my hair twisted in 2-strand twists. I'm natural, right? So I went all week because I have this wedding to go to tomorrow, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, I want my hair to be curly and big and poofy or whatever in the center. So I did, right? So this morning I decided to take my 2-strand twist out. Let me tell you, girl, it was bomb. Anyway, it was definitely bomb when I left the house, right? So I live in Philly. I live near Philly, like the outskirts or whatever, and it started raining. You know, really hard, and it's super humid and just icky micky outside, like you want to put the fan on in your home because it just feels congested or whatever. Yeah. So my hair froed up. So I checked the weather for this upcoming week, and it's supposed to rain the rest of today, tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So guess what I'll be doing? Definitely getting a sew-in today, without a doubt. I hit somebody up and asked them if they were available. It's going to be my first time going to her. I can tell you guys now, I am going to do a review on this hair because last time I ordered it, I hated it. But my cousins have convinced me to order from them again. It's there to have hair. I'm not going to touch it here now because clearly like, I'm not to deal with food and stuff. But it's there to have hair. And it's the Brazilian Body Wave. I forget how many inches, so I'll have to take a look. But yeah. So we'll see. Hopefully the girl does it install right. It's my first time getting the wider bundle. I believe it's like a 7x7. I'm not bundle. What am I saying? Closure. It's a 7x7 because there's a specific look that I want. Specific look. I want it to look like a lace front, but I hate lace fronts because they shed drastically and I don't have the time nor the energy to constantly maintain them. So, anyway. Alright, guys! While we wait for the water to boil.
So I have everything set up here. This is cold water. This is going to be another cup for my hot water. I can't find any of my other party pictures. And then there's this. This is where the hot water is going to be. Unfortunately, we're going to do one color at a time. So we're going to put these 2 packs of pink first. I'm going to go get the hot water, pour it into my pitcher, and get started. Here's my stirring spoon. Strawberry.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned.
Alright, so let's taste. This is the time to taste because you do not want it freezing up on you. Nasty. Oh, this is gonna be good.
your heartbeat.
Deserves a bit more liquor. Because the key is to get people fucked up, right? So you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. I'm also a drinker, guys. So I'm not all the way sure if everybody who's gonna be at this party is on my level. But they about to be on my level.
I forgot to look beyond, I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need.
I ended up making way more red than what I needed. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'll be making any more because I feel like this is actually more than enough. It's a little small get together and a small little kickback or whatever. I made a mess, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in a container, and then I'm gonna wipe off this counter. Then I'm gonna go get Slay.
I did you wrong, now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
That's all done. Here's my mess. This is Pine Sol. I don't know what y'all do when y'all home, but in my home, I love Pine Sol. Pine Sol and bleach. They get everything up. See? Nice and clean. Alright guys, so thanks for making Jell-O shots with me. Again, it's 99 apples is what we used. We used both packs of those strawberry flavored gelatin powders. And that's it. So we are actually left with these. We'll figure it out. I might end up making my fiance make it, and I'll put, I mean, like, if I have leftovers, I'll just, it's a weekend. I could just drink them tomorrow or something like that. So, thanks for kicking it with me. First and foremost, she slayed my hair. Second of all, definitely a review coming on this hair. Not so good. Not so good. But most importantly, the Jell-O shots. They were a hit. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for a review on this hair. Crazy story, guys.